Well, good morning and welcome. My name is Nick, and we're going to be on a little bit of a walk out here in the Devon countryside. One of the many Devon green lanes, and one of the walks I do very regularly. The old dog pants up next to me. Apart from the dog, you might be able to hear a skylark. Oh, just something about the dog. May look like his back leg's been replaced with a dish mop, but he's had an operation on that leg and the bandage is coming off tomorrow. He's perfectly fine, except that he's old.